Hi, and welcome to Intro to Digital Game Design online at the University of Connecticut. So over the course of the next 10 weeks, what we're going to be doing is a combination of theory and game development in practice. The podcasts are designed as oral lectures that go along as companion products to the book readings, as well as any games that might be playing and discussions on the website. In terms of the hands-on component, you're going to be working in a software package that I chose at the beginning of the semester. Every semester we adapt to new technologies. So for the hands-on portion, we're going to be using a software package that I'm going to give you over email. Depending on the composition of the class, you're going to be either working in groups or alone to make a game. In terms of handouts and assignment submissions, we're going to be using a combination of the web, source control, and email in order to hand those in. Now, the game that you're going to be working on is actually a prompt that I'm going to also provide for you. So if you have a game that you've been burning to create, this might not be exactly the right class for you, but what you can do is you can apply those lessons that you learned during class and then work on your own project. The reason why I do that is twofold. One is to separate class from work, but also because I'm trying to deliver you lessons on how a specific component of game development works, but they have them over and over and over again. I don't need you to write 100 pages of script in order for me to understand that you can write. What I need you to do is write 5 to 10 pages of script, for instance. Now, a lot of people actually ask me whether or not they can use their own engine or if they can use their own art assets and a lot of different things like that. Generally, my rule is I will allow you, with permission and with discussion, to work on a game or an engine that you would like to. But the caveat to that is if you are going to be working in the engine, you and I need to figure out what the assignments that you are going to deliver are in order to make sure that you are able to learn all the elements. Because I'm actually picking game engines based off of learning components, not necessarily on which one's the most efficient. And in some cases, I might even give you a lesson plan with an inferior piece of software in order for you to understand how we can improve on it and how other game developers work.